You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Special weather advisory is in effect again today due to that air quality warning there because of those forest fires in northwestern Ontario starting to affect us once again. We saw that yesterday. We could see that again, some hazy skies. The other big weather story for today is risk of thunder showers later on this afternoon, continuing on into the evening as well. Temperature high 24 or 25 degrees today, dropping to a low of 16 overnight. Our Futurecast images here showing us once again those the showers that we could see later on today, risk of a thunderstorm. Tomorrow morning, we could see some more rain just to start off the morning, then a mix of sun and clouds. Thursday, very similar, mix of sun and clouds, about a 40% chance we could see some more rain showers as well. Belleville today, high of 27 degrees, feeling more like 33 with that humidex factored in there, and mix of sun and clouds with that risk of a thunderstorm. Mix of sun and clouds for Wednesday and for Thursday, both days seeing highs of 26 degrees. Brockville, very similar here. 26 is the high today. Risk of that thunder shower there. Feeling more like 32. 24 for both Wednesday and for Thursday. Mix of sun and clouds, and that chance you could see some rain on Wednesday. Smiths Falls, 24. Mix of sun and clouds and a risk of a thunderstorm. 24 for Wednesday as well. Mix of sun and clouds. Feeling more like 27 degrees. Mix of sun and clouds for Thursday and a high of 25 degrees. Once again, air quality statement is in effect as well. Kingston's 5-day forecast here now showing us that really we are expecting more mix of sun and clouds, possibly some more active weather as we head towards the weekend and start off our weekend there. Today as well, mix of sun and clouds, thunderstorm possibility, high of 26 for Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds, 25 for Thursday, again sun cloud mix. Friday, mix of sun and clouds, risk of a thunderstorm, high of 23, and possibly just some rain with that mix of sun and clouds, high of 24 for your Saturday at this point.
I had to sit in the car for about 15 to 20 minutes before I could get out and move about, 15 feet to the front door of the station because the rain was coming down so hard. Between 4 and 4:30, we seemed to get the worst of it, the hardest, heaviest rain. And this is the system here. We tracked it on radar. Little white flashes, of course, of the lightning. Here it goes. This is what it looked like as it was racing through the region this afternoon. And now I think we're looking at some calmer conditions out there, but don't let that fool you. We could still get into some pretty crazy conditions because it's still fairly warm and moist out there as the sun sets and the cooler air slips in over top. You can see that cycle building again. We've seen that in the past over the last few weeks. You get that early one, and then later on at night you get that other one. So you can see a whole lot more tonight before midnight. After midnight, we hope to see it end. 25 was your high in Kingston today, but feeling more like a 32, 28 in Brockville, 27 in Smiths Falls, 26 in Ottawa. We had 28 in Belleville and Peterborough, 29 in Oshawa, and 30 Celsius in Toronto today. All of them feeling about 7 degrees warmer than that, thanks to that soupy mix we have, that very moist air mass. We hope to see that come to an end. West-northwest winds about 9 kilometers per hour currently. They're going to become more northerly tomorrow, and you're going to see cooler, drier air slipping in. It's going to help to sweep away that haze, all that smoke, the particulate from those fires in northwestern Ontario and the prairies. You're also going to see that that humidity come down a little bit. It's not going to bottom out, those temperatures, but they will slip down a bit. In the next couple of days, you'll see a difference. High pressure trying to move in, and as it does, it brings some cooler, drier air in with it, and that's going to clean things up for us overnight. We hope to see that chance of showers end early morning and then get into some clearing. And then through your Thursday, we hope to maintain that for at least a mix of sun and cloud. It's not going to be a completely cloudy day. There is another warm front moving in. This high has dropped south of us, and so that's going to help to sort of push warm air into the region again, and that's why you're not going to see a big drop in temperature, and that humidity will start to build eventually again, but we hope you get a break from it for at least a day or so. That's where we're at now, and this is why we're saying, yeah, don't put the umbrella away yet, and watch out for the thunder and lightning, because this could be potential again. Just after 8 o'clock, we see that probability increasing for severe weather, showers and thunderstorms moving in. But you do see some clearing later in the afternoon tomorrow. It'll be late afternoon when it clears right up, and then enjoy, because you're going to have some sunny conditions through your Thursday. Maybe a couple showers here and there, but just isolated, nothing part of a strong low pressure system, certainly no thunderstorms. Wednesday, high 26, mix of sun and cloud, those winds becoming a north 20 at around noon. Thursday, high 26 and a mix of sun and cloud, and mainly sunny Friday with a high 24. So you see those temperatures coming down. Your humidity will drop too, so yeah, it's going to be a little more comfortable for those who don't have AC. Brockville, high 24, clearing up in the morning. You still got that chance of a shower early morning. Winds north 20 early afternoon. Thursday, high 25 and a mix of sun and cloud. Friday, a mix of sun and cloud, and a 30% chance of showers creeping back in the afternoon, just part of some daytime heating. Smiths Falls, 24, mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. Clearing up, though, probably early afternoon. You probably won't see that mix of sun and cloud till about mid-afternoon. Might take a while for the cloud to get out of the way, and you could see some showers persist for a couple hours in the morning. Thursday, high 25, mainly sunny, and for Friday, up to 25, and a small chance of showers, mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your 5-day forecast. Showers ending in the morning, mix of sun and cloud through the day, high 25, up to 25 again on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud, probably feeling a little more comfortable, less humidity, and we'll probably get rid of some of that haze. Friday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 24, up to 24 again on Saturday, increase in cloud. For Sunday, it's a high 27, a mix of sun and cloud, and you've got a good 60% chance of showers, risk of thunderstorms moving back in the afternoon. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam since 1962, with same-day delivery.
Speaking of the haze, we were talking yesterday how the moon and sun would look so different because of that particulate, all that smoke from the wildfires in northwestern Ontario. Marlene Grant of Kingston managed to catch this picture of the sun as it was setting. You'll notice those orange, red, and yellow hues on the sun and the moon are a lot richer closer to the horizon, because that's where a lot of that particulate's sitting on the surface. You're looking across the land to the horizon through all of that particulate. So they act as a prism presenting the color. Terry Douglas of Napanee sent this one of the moon as it was rising. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yes.
Beautiful pictures. Thank you to everyone who submitted. If you've got pictures, send them to us at submissions at ckwstv.com.
And who knows, we could be seeing scenes like those in the days to come, as long as those forest fires continue to burn in the northwest of the province, Bill.
Yeah, we may get a little clearing now thanks to this cold front, but if those fires persist, not just the ones in northwestern Ontario, but the ones out in BC, a lot of that stuff, you know, systems move from west to east, and it just flows naturally this way, so it could build again, yeah.
And as for our neck of the woods, we're not out of the thunder threat just yet.
No, that watch is still, the warning's gone, but the watch is still in place, and we could see some more rumbling overhead before midnight.
Okay, I heard they did get some hail in some parts of our region, including up in Bancroft today, nickel-sized hail. Yeah,
and that's why when our warnings came down the pipe from Environment Canada, they stressed that fact, that there could have been some hail. If you've got hail, I'd love to see pictures of it. You know, a lot of people do that when thunderstorms kick in, they run out, they grab a handful of the hail and take pictures. I'd love to see those if you have them.
Okay, thank you, Bill. We'll find out what's in the 7-day forecast coming up later.
CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Well, those hot and sticky conditions led to some pretty nasty conditions racing through the region. Severe thunderstorms blasting through eastern Ontario today. Started a little further north up through Ottawa and Quebec, but Kingston, you got yours. Between 4 o'clock and about 4:30, it rained so hard. Lots of lightning. High pressure moving in now, though, and that's going to clear things up, partially anyway. You hope to get at least a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. As this continues, we hope to see it improve even more. One high in the north reinforcing this very strong high in the Great Lakes, and we're hoping to keep conditions, if not completely clear, at least a mix of sun and cloud for a few days. These highs dropping in out of the north could help to bring that humidity down, but as they settle farther south, they'll start to pump in warm air again. We've got a low and a warm front here, and that might bring temperatures and humidity back up again. So you don't see a big drop, but you do see it budge a bit. 26 Tomorrow, winds north 20, Belleville, and a mix of sun and cloud. That chance of showers ending early in the morning. Thursday, high 26, mix of sun and cloud. Mainly sunny on Friday with a high 24. Hope that humidity's gone. This is going to be a really nice day. Thursday, too, but Friday even better as far as the sticky conditions go. Brockville, high 24, clearing up in the morning. That chance of showers ending early morning. Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud. The same for Friday, and temperatures and humidity a little better. A small chance of showers Friday. Smiths Falls, high 24, clearing up for Thursday. Mainly sunny. Friday, high 25 and a 30% chance of showers in the afternoon. Kingston, your long-range forecast, a high 25 tomorrow. Hoping the showers end early in the morning, and then a mix of sun and cloud for the balance of your day. Thursday, high 25, mix of sun and cloud. Friday, 24 and a mix of sun and cloud. For Saturday,